In the not-so-distant past, Lactobacillus reuteri, a beneficial microbe, was a natural resident in the human gut. It coexisted with us for thousands of years, vital in maintaining a healthy and balanced microbiome. This strain of bacteria was passed down from mother to child through natural childbirth, breastfeeding, and even through close contact within families and communities. It was found in traditional fermented foods, staples in our ancestors' diets. But as the modern world developed, we lost this valuable bacteria. The widespread use of antibiotics, changes in diet, and the shift towards highly sanitized environments have significantly disrupted our gut microbiomes. Antibiotics, while essential for treating infections, don't discriminate between good and bad bacteria. This means that every course of antibiotics wipes out beneficial microbes along with harmful ones. Over time, strains like Lactobacillus reuteri became casualties of this battle, leaving most people without this important probiotic in their digestive systems today. In addition, the industrialization of food has played a big role in our microbial decline. Modern food processing techniques, the overuse of preservatives, and the reduction of traditional fermented foods in our diets have all contributed to the disappearance of Lactobacillus reuteri from our systems. Adding to that, the increase in C-sections and a decline in breastfeeding rates, and you can see how this once common microbe has been lost across generations. So, why should we care about bringing Lactobacillus reuteri back into our microbiomes? According to Dr. William Davis, restoring this forgotten probiotic can lead to a wide range of health benefits that are too significant to ignore. This tiny organism may be key to some of the most common health issues we face today. Lactobacillus reuteri is unique because it helps stimulate the production of oxytocin, also known as the love hormone or bonding hormone. Oxytocin is responsible for feelings of love, connection, empathy, and even happiness. By boosting oxytocin levels, Lactobacillus reuteri can help improve mood, reduce feelings of social isolation, and even enhance emotional bonds. Imagine feeling a greater sense of joy and connection in your everyday life simply by improving your gut health. But that is just the beginning. The health benefits of Lactobacillus reuteri go far beyond mental and emotional well-being. This microbe plays a crucial role in overall digestive health, skin health, immune function, and metabolic balance. Let's dive into some of the significant benefits backed by Dr. Davis's research and scientific studies. One of the most exciting benefits of this microbe is its ability to promote healthier and more youthful skin. Dr. Davis has highlighted how supplementing with this probiotic can lead to increased collagen production, which helps keep skin firm and smooth. In fact, studies have shown that restoring Lactobacillus reuteri can significantly reduce wrinkles and improve overall skin texture. Collagen is the protein responsible for the elasticity and structure of your skin, so more collagen equals fewer fine lines and a more youthful appearance. As a probiotic, Lactobacillus reuteri helps maintain a healthy balance of bacteria in the gut, which is essential for digestion and nutrient absorption. A healthy gut microbiome supports efficient digestion, prevents bloating, and helps manage conditions like IBS and SIBO. Lactobacillus reuteri also produces an antimicrobial substance called reuterin, which helps protect the gut from harmful pathogens and bacteria, keeping your digestive system in top shape. Your gut microbiome plays a central role in the function of your immune system, and Lactobacillus reuteri is no exception. This probiotic helps regulate immune responses, making your body more efficient at fighting infections and inflammation. Improving gut health also helps reduce systemic inflammation linked to various chronic diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and autoimmune disorders. As mentioned earlier, Lactobacillus reuteri can boost oxytocin production, which is closely linked to mood regulation and feelings of well-being. But it doesn't stop there. Oxytocin also plays a role in promoting better sleep. By restoring Lactobacillus reuteri, you may experience a deeper, more restful sleep, improving your energy levels, focus, and overall mental health. This probiotic could be the missing link to achieving that elusive good night's sleep. Research also shows that Lactobacillus reuteri can help regulate metabolism and promote healthy weight management. It influences how the body stores fat and can help improve insulin sensitivity, crucial for those trying to manage or prevent type 2 diabetes. While it is not a miracle weight loss solution, having Lactobacillus reuteri as part of a healthy microbiome can support your metabolism and contribute to a more balanced body weight. This healthy microbe also supports heart health by reducing inflammation and regulating blood sugar levels. Some studies have shown that people with a healthy gut microbiome have lower blood pressure and better cholesterol profiles, reducing their risk of heart disease. By promoting a balanced microbiome, Lactobacillus reuteri may help reduce the risk of cardiovascular issues over time. Now that we've covered the many benefits, you're probably wondering how to add Lactobacillus reuteri to your microbiome. Fortunately, it's easier than you might think. Here are a few key ways to do this. While not considered the most effective, a straightforward way is to reintroduce Lactobacillus reuteri through high-quality probiotic supplements. Be sure to look for supplements that specifically list Lactobacillus reuteri as a key ingredient. Dr. William Davis has emphasized the importance of using strains backed by research. In the video description area below, I have listed a link to Dr. Davis's choice of Lactobacillus reuteri. Incorporating fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kombucha into your diet can help increase your intake of beneficial probiotics, improving your overall gut health. While modern food production methods have reduced natural levels of this vital microbe, consuming these foods can still support a healthier gut microbiome overall. Dr. Davis recommends you make your own yogurt with Lactobacillus reuteri cultures, which allows you to consume higher concentrations of the probiotic. Please find the link in the video description below to his video on how to make the reuteri yogurt. This is the best way to maximize your benefits. This method ensures that you're getting a potent dose of the bacteria, and it can be an easy and delicious way to incorporate Lactobacillus reuteri into your daily routine. This is the best way to reintroduce this critical microbe to your gut. Lactobacillus reuteri may have been lost from most of our microbiomes, but it's not too late to bring it back and reap the rewards. From improved skin and gut health to better mood, sleep, and metabolism, this ancient probiotic offers many benefits that can transform your health. By taking simple steps to restore Lactobacillus reuteri, you can unlock the power of your gut and experience better overall well-being. So, are you ready to restore your microbiome and feel your best? Reintroducing Lactobacillus reuteri into your life is the first step to restoring control of your health. Thank you so much for watching this video today. We really do appreciate your kind support. Please share this video with everyone you know, because everyone can benefit from this great discovery. Also, please leave a comment below and let us know what types of videos you'd like to see in the future. Until next time, I will see you in the next video.